How to recover deleted messages on Facebook. Watch this video till the end. Initially start by opening the Facebook app on your mobile device. Next, tap the hamburger menu at the top right corner. Once you are there, click on the gear icon at the top right. From the list, select Account Center at the top. Inside the Account Center, scroll down and choose your information and permission. Now click on Download your information to begin the process. Moreover, tap on Download or Transfer information. Then select specific type of information to narrow down your selection. At this point, check only the box next to Messages and tap Next to proceed. After that, choose Download to device as your preferred delivery method. Now choose your desired date range and select your file format and pick the media quality. Once you are ready, hit Create File to request a copy of your selected data. When your file is ready, just download it and you will be able to recover your deleted message on Facebook. And there you go. I hope this video helped.